Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to learn Arabic now, whether it's adding a course to your existing course or starting again from beginning. It's very simple. First of all, you just if you're adding a course to your existing course, just let me show you. Click on the course, you say plus and add. If you're not adding to existing course and start again from beginning, once you open the app and click you want to learn, Duolingo will bring this option out. Now I'm going to click on Arabic. Duo is jotting that down. Now I've never learned Arabic before, so I'm going to learn for the first time. You'll be put through a small test. Do do I can't really hear anything. Anyway, once you complete the test, you'll now be able to freely learn Arabic on Duolingo. Just come every day, sign in, complete quests, practice, and that's it. That's how to learn Arabic on Duolingo. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.